Hey, classy people, welcome back to the channel. Welcome. So I bought a haul to share with you all. I needed to go to Walmart. I was going to buy these products anyway. So I said, let me check my Ibotta app, and I'm so glad that I did. So I haven't been doing Ibotta. So if I miss any rebates or any extra rebates, y'all make sure that you let me know in the comments below, because I did reload my Shopkick app, because y'all know I haven't even been doing Shopkick, honey. So I needed to get some feminine care products and some sausage, because I was going to make my sausage dip. So let's jump into this haul. First of all, my weekend warrior was 10 rebates to get back $5. That wasn't too bad, and that was quite doable. And the first rebate I decided to do was my inner receipt, honey. Inner receipt, we never gonna pass up on that. That was 25 cents. The next one was my Jimmy Dean sausage. And they hating on the Jimmy Dean now, because why they making you buy two? I know I've done this rebate before and they only had you to buy one. Now they got you buying two of the Jimmy Dean sausage. I get the maple because I like to make a dip with rotel and cream cheese. So I actually had to buy two of these sausages, and they were priced $3.97 each. Must buy two. No coupon did I have, because you can't use one anyway, so it don't matter. So that was $7.94. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate coming back off of the two, dropping the cost to $6.94. One I'm going to make tonight. The other one I'm going to drop in the freezer. All right. Next thing I got was my baby Drift. I have talked about this cleaner. This is a laundry stain remover, and this stuff does amazing. I use it in my reseller business, and I use it on my personal clothing and household, fabrics. So this is a great product to purchase. Now, there is a save 2 off by mail that's also attached to this. So I'm going to look at that a little closer. This is priced $3.97. There is a $1.50 coming back from Ibotta, making the cost be $2.47 for the baby draft. Honey, I stock up on the baby draft. Y'all know when I was doing Ibotta back to back, honey. I had a lot of these, and I don't have that many now, and I use it for my reselling business, meaning I use it on the clothes that I resell, guys. So this is like a staple in my house. I must buy it. I have bought it and not had a rebate or a coupon, so I'm gonna buy it anyway. Next was my Tide to Go pen. I need to keep this in my pocketbook. I promise you I do. I need to keep this in my pocketbook. This right here. Because when I go out thrifting, some stuff I'll be wanting to have a Tide pen so I can stick it on it and be like, oh no, that stain ain't coming out. We're going to leave you in the store. Yeah. So this right here is $2.97, $1 Ibotta rebate, dropping the cost to $1.97 for the Tide to Go pen. That's going in my purse for when I go thrifting. The next thing I got, I'm super excited to try this product. This is the Bounce Instant Static Remover Wrinkle Releaser Odor Eliminator, honey. Okay, the last two things are definitely going to be used in the things that I buy for reselling, because sometimes I buy things like handbags, things that I can do surface cleaning on, but sometimes things have been packed away and they just have that old smell. So I'm curious to see how this is going to do. Now, what was great about this was $5.68 in my Walmart. It's a half price back rebate, meaning it was $2.85 coming back. So I'm basically only trying it for $2.83. Let's see what it smells like. Ooh. Oh, that smells good. That smells good. I'm gonna like that, girls. And guys, there might be some guys over here. All right, let's go to the next item. The next item I got was soft scrub. Y'all, I haven't been couponing, so my cleaning closet is getting a little low, okay? So I got to re-up on it. This is the soft scrub cleanser, but I spotted the one with the bleach. That's going to be 99.9% killing of the germs, so I had to get this one. This is the soft scrub with bleach, price $3.27, $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost be $2.27 for the soft scrub. Yeah, I was excited about that. Y'all know I get excited about cleaning products. Yeah. Okay, now I needed this to make my dip, the Rotel. Now, why they make me buy two to get this doggone rebate? They made me buy two things of the Rotel. I do the mild because I don't want it to be spicy. I don't even use the whole can. It'd be mostly cheese and sausage. All right, these were priced $1.36 each, making the cost be $2.72. My little 25 cents coming back made it be $2.47. Next product I got was the Always Z's. I have talked about these things extensively, okay? This product, I have to have this product. I have to purchase it, okay? So if you don't know what these are period underwear, all right? Now, I don't need to say anymore. We all grown on here. These are period underwear. And they feel like underwear, but they for your stuff, you know, for your friend. These were priced $7.97. I did not scan these in store because I did not expect there was a rebate to even attach to this, but there actually was a rebate, and it was the Always Pads rebate. I'm gonna show you which one it is. It actually attached to these. These are priced $7.97, $1 coming back, making the final cost $6.97. Next rebate was my Fabuloso. But you know what? I always wanted to do this rebate, and they never have it in this particular neighborhood Walmart that I like to shop at. So this was the concentrated formula, all right? This is the multi-purpose cleaner. They never have had this one in my location, all right? So I did end up getting to get it this time. That was awesome sauce. This one was $4.47. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate coming back, making the final cost $2.97 for the Fabuloso. I love the way this purple smells, so that's a great thing. I can put it in my cleaning closet. Next, we got Scope mouthwash. I know. I could do Scope at the CVS, but y'all know I have the Care Pass, but I don't be doing CVS like that, so I don't really be up on the deals. I just be going in there spending my $10 and keeping it pushing. So I decided to get the Scope because I don't have a big mouthwash stockpile, and we use mouthwash every day. So I said, yes, let's get this. Scope was priced $3.97. There's a $2 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.97. This is a 16.9 ounce. This is the smaller bottle of the Scope. Great deal to me, honey. And then let's jump on to this next amazing deal. Next rebate is my Tampax Pearl Super Plus tampons. This is a 50 count of the tampons. Now, this one actually attached to two rebates. It was the Tampax tampons, a $1 rebate, and the $3 Tampax Radiant or Pearl rebate actually attached to this box as well, which was awesome for me. These things were $10.47, and honey, I be paying $10.47 for them. Not even blinking an eye. Because I got to have them. Okay, so I don't care. I can't be waiting on no darn deal at CVS. I need to get my stuff. So $10.47, $4 off, making the cost $6.47 for these tampons. That's an amazing deal. All right, guys. So that's all of the rebates. What did I actually get back? I got $16.35 back in actual rebates, $5 for my Weekend Warrior, making the total coming back to me $21.35. Not too shabby, not too shabby. The total of all my products was $53.43. So the fact that I got $21.35 and making my final cost $32.08 was freaking amazing, because let's just grasp the concept that Crystal was going to buy this, and Crystal was going to buy this. I was buying this stuff irregardless of the rebate. I didn't even care. So that would have been this. Matter of fact, this would have been, this was $7.97. So this was $8. This was $10.47. That was, I'm at $18, $19 right there. This was $4. That was $8. You see what I'm talking about? I was going to spend that money anyway. So you might as well go on, download the Ibotta app, and yeah, keep an eye out for what you're going to go in the store and purchase anyway. At least as you're getting something back instead of nothing. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I love you all so much. I appreciate for you taking the time to come into the video. I'll see y'all in the next one. And remember, keep it classy. Bye-bye.